Light shapes how places wake up, how spaces feel, how moments begin. Whether light comes from the sun in the sky or from luminaires on a street or in a ceiling, the experience of light is lived. As a lighting professional, you work with light every day. At Signify, we truly value your expertise in planning, installing, and controlling it to elevate the way people live, move, and work. When human insight and innovations from Signify come together, light goes beyond illumination. It supports well-being, promotes feelings of safety and confidence, and helps people and places thrive, effectively, efficiently, and reliably. At Signify, having collaborated with so many lighting professionals like you, we've gained insights that drive our industry-leading expertise, delivering innovations to help you stay ahead and get the job done right. Our circular and ultra-efficient lighting products cut energy and carbon emissions to preserve the world's resources. Signify's human-centric lighting solutions support performance, comfort, and well-being. Our Nature Connect skylight mimics the experience of natural daylight indoors, boosting people's energy levels and helping them feel in sync with nature. Signify's adaptable lighting solutions use sensor-driven technology that adjusts when weather and traffic conditions change, promoting safety by delivering the right light in the right place at the right time. As the world leader in LED and connected lighting, Signify has elevated the lives of millions of people in hundreds of countries around the globe, bringing magic and elevating city brands, creating inspiring, efficient, and reliable workspaces, making urban areas feel smarter and safer, enhancing performance and bringing joy to audiences with unforgettable moments. And that's just for a start. The best light isn't designed in isolation. When you partner with Signify, you benefit from our deep knowledge and expertise. You build strong and positive relationships with people whose know-how makes a real difference. Because the greatest achievements happen when we come together. With Signify, it's not just light, it's how light is lived. Signify, the meaning of light.